Penguins are fascinating flightless birds primarily found in the southern hemisphere, with a rich evolutionary and natural history. Evolutionary history. Penguins are believed to have evolved around 60 million years ago, shortly after the extinction of the dinosaurs. Their ancestors were likely seabirds capable of flight. Fossil evidence suggests early penguin species, such as Waimanu from New Zealand, were already adapted to an aquatic lifestyle. Adaptations. Over millions of years, penguins underwent significant adaptations to their environment, including the development of flipper-like wings for swimming, dense bones to reduce buoyancy, and specialized feathers for insulation and waterproofing. Fossil discoveries. Early fossils. The oldest known penguin fossils are from the Paleocene epoch, around 60 million years ago. These fossils, found in New Zealand, belong to the genus Waimanu. Other significant fossil finds include the giant penguins Icodiptes and Anthropornis, which lived during the Eocene epoch, about 40–50 million years ago. Giant penguins. Some early penguins were much larger than modern species, with some standing over 1.5 meters tall. These giants likely filled different ecological niches compared to today's smaller penguins. Modern penguins. Diversity. Today, there are around 18 recognized species of penguins, ranging from the tiny little blue penguin, Eudiptula minor, to the majestic emperor penguin, Aptenodytes forsteri. Penguins are primarily found in Antarctica, but species also inhabit coastal regions of South America, Africa, Australia, and the Galapagos Islands. Habitat and behavior. Penguins are highly adapted to life in the water, spending up to 75% of their lives at sea. They are excellent swimmers, using their flippers to propel themselves and their feet to steer. They feed primarily on fish, squid, and krill, and have specialized eyes that enable them to see clearly underwater. Reproduction. Penguin breeding habits vary by species. For instance, emperor penguins breed during the harsh Antarctic winter, with males incubating the eggs on their feet under a flap of skin. Most penguins lay 2 eggs, though typically only 1 chick survives. Parents share the duties of incubation and feeding. Thanks for watching. To watch more informative videos, subscribe to our channel, Trendy Tales and Stories. Bye-bye.